Hello there, welcome to your latest update. Staying mild for the bulk of the UK, but it'll also be quite wet for the next few days with a lot of cloud around. This is the latest satellite and radar from this morning. You can see some very bright colours on the radar showing some heavy rain that's pushed through, particularly across the south coast, but also many areas further north as well. North Wales, northwest England, as well as much of central southern Scotland. We've also seen some quite heavy bursts of rain. And through the rest of the day, we'll continue to see heavy rain in these similar areas, particularly the south coast, also northern England and southern Scotland as well. Away from the rain, though, there's still going to be a lot of cloud around. There's lots of coastal fog as well as over the hills. And because we've got fairly light southerly winds at the moment, any fog will be quite slow to clear. So it'll be quite a murky afternoon out there. However, across the far north of Scotland, it's a very different story. The wet weather hasn't quite reached here, so it's going to be a fairly bright afternoon. But it is cooler here than elsewhere, with only highs of around 5 or 7 degrees. But in the south, highs of 15 degrees, despite all that cloud. Through the evening, it's going to stay quite mild and murky once again. Could be quite a close night for some areas. We'll see another batch of rain pushing in from the southwest. This will bring some heavy bursts to a large swathe of the UK, particularly Northern Ireland, southern Scotland and northern England. As well as the southeast, we could see some heavy rain here by tomorrow morning. In the south, though, we'll probably see a drier start to the day. But as I said, it'll be quite a gloomy morning once again with a lot of low cloud still around. But it will be another mild start to the day. Temperatures dipping only as low as 11 or 12 degrees in some areas. That's above the daytime average maximum temperatures for this time of year. The far north of Scotland as well, starting to see that milder air arrive by tomorrow morning as well. But they'll also see that wet weather arrive as well. So some very heavy rain through Thursday morning across much of Scotland and Northern Ireland. We'll also see heavy rain persisting across parts of Devon and Cornwall, South Wales as well. So there could be some water on the roads if you are travelling throughout the course of Thursday, so do take care. In the east, though, it will probably be a much drier day. We should escape much of the rain through the bulk of the day, and in any breaks in the cloud, temperatures will climb. We've still got this really mild air, so temperatures climbing to 16, possibly closer to 17 degrees if we do see any sunny breaks. Temperatures across the north coast of France are expected to be closer to 19 degrees tomorrow, so we're not too far away from that warm weather across the far southeast through Thursday. However, that rain is as a result of this frontal system, and that will push into the southeast throughout Thursday night and by Friday morning. However, once that does clear, we're expecting a ridge of higher pressure to bring a much better day through Friday, so a bit more in the way of drier and brighter weather to come. But if you'd like more details on your forecast for further ahead, make sure you check out the 10-day trend with Alex Burkhill a little later on today on YouTube. See you later.